Good morning YouTube, welcome to my channel. This is Vinku. I'm heading on a long ride. It's almost 3:30 a.m. and 9th of February. So yes, the plan is to ride to Madurai today, and then tomorrow we'll be riding to Rameshwaram and Dhanushkodi. I'll show you what all stuff I'm carrying. My riding jacket, my riding pants. You see, this has a armors in there. Can't wait to wear them and ride. My hydrator pack. This is my gloves, my helmet, Mavic, batteries, glasses. This is for the 360 time lapse. Here's the luggage. One has the clothes, one has the electronics in it. This is my tent stuff, and these are the bungee cords that I need to. Here's a bike. She's going to be my partner for the next 5 to 6 days. I'm so excited, man. Two more contenders, and even they're excited. Still, they are not arrived here. It's almost 4 a.m. I never wake up so early and on time. I slept only like 2 hours in the night after all the preparations and stuff. This is the first time in my life that I'm on time, I'm fully ready and waiting for people. Otherwise, it's the other way around every time. Can't help you. Alright, so finally these guys are here. Ram, Umesh, hi. So yeah, bikes look pretty all prepped up. Ram with his luggage. So we're all set to ride. Let's start riding now.
Alright, good morning YouTube, good morning people, good morning Vijay Rider Squad. And it's almost 4:46 a.m. We are all set to ride to Madurai today. Then we will be heading to Rameshwaram, then Dhanushkodi, Kanyakumari, Kodaikanal over the next 4 to 5 days. So it's going to be one heck of a ride. It's going to be fun. Woo! Alright, let's keep riding. Okay guys, so we are almost done 100 kilometers and crossed Hubli. Now proceeding ahead. Just stopped by to check, just to make sure everything is in place. And yeah, everything looks good. All three bikes doing fine. So let's keep moving. Chalo. Dig. Actually, me and Ram are connected on intercom. Sadly, Umesh's intercom is not pairing with our Sena, so we'll need to look into that later. Okay folks, so we have come close to 180 kilometers so far, and at 6:43. So the next stop would be Davangere, and we are planning to have a breakfast there. Realistically, it should be like 7:30 to 7:40 to reach Davangere, and then we'll have around 30 to 45 minutes for breakfast, and then resume with the ride again. I'm afraid of this cruise यार. Last time हम जा रहे थे बेंगलोर, तभी एक कौवे ने आके मेरे को इधर हाथ पे मारा, लेफ्ट हाथ पे. Crow died on the spot, man. Shit. And I was lucky because of these handguards. Otherwise it would have. वो crow का चोंच रहता ना, वो बहुत हार्ड होता है, तो सीधा उंगली को मारता था वो. वाओ, क्या सीन है यार इधर. Alright folks, so we have come to Davangere. Actually we crossed Davangere and we have come to the Sapura restaurant. This is my go-to restaurant. Whenever I'm doing this stretch, I always make sure we have breakfast here. So yeah, we covered close to 260 kilometers so far in 2.5 hours, and that's not bad actually.
This is the onion uttappa we are having. Now, while we finish this, go and watch this time lapse. So this is the first fuel stop. Filled up fuel, full tank. Could go another 50, but no point taking chance.
Okay guys, we are at the nice ring road, and the toll attendant has some issues, so he's getting us toll receipts from the other booth. We have done around 520 kilometers from Belgaum since morning 5 a.m. Now it's almost what's the time? It's 11:30. Too much traffic after Tumkur, so we got late. Hey, मिळाला की नाही टोल? चला.
7-12 उतारा काढला रोडचा.
हे रोड खरेदी करणार आहोत. ब्यूटीफुल. ये लोग से जा रहे हैं, हम कहाँ से जाना? This heat is taking toll on me, and we just crossed Bangalore. We finished the ring road, nice ring road, and now we are on the way to Krishnagiri. तंदूर बिंदूर खाने का है, मेरे को अभी बहुत भूख लगा है. आई एम वेरी वेरी हंग्री. कुछ अच्छा सा एसी वाला होटल मिला ना तो नथिंग लाइक इट. डिस्टेंस तो कुछ ज़्यादा नहीं है अभी. Another 400 kilometers left. Okay, we are at this Chiefs and Cheers hotel, looking for some food. Oh, hopefully इधर अपने को अच्छा खाने को कुछ मिलेगा. बहुत अच्छा स्मेल है. चिकन गिरोस बोलते हैं. So the seat is also doing really well. My bum is very very happy. Chalo, let's head into this restaurant and see what we have. At least we have good ventilation here.
What? Have a safe ride, Venki, Batman, and Ram, Robin.
Alright, so we're done with the quick lunch, a short lunch you can say. Let's hit the highway. These guys are flying, so even I'm flying. Yeah, so the food was kind of okay. ये क्या सब टायर खुल के बैठा है. Look at the road ahead, man. Yeah, so we are in Karud here and filled up fuel. I think Madurai is another 130 kilometers, so this should be the last fuel stop for today. We have a range of around 300 plus kilometers, but we tend to fuel up every 250 to 260 to 270 kilometers. So yeah, let's go. It's almost 5:30. Yeah, 5:38. So by 7 we should be in Madurai, if I'm not wrong. If we face traffic, then it is 7:30. So chalo. So I want to mention a few things about traveling and riding on this road. Ever since we crossed Krishnagiri after Bangalore, we have been seeing that roads are buttery smooth, full tarmac, ekdam makhan wale road hai. But one should be very 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 careful and be cautious about people like these. You see it? These people do not even wait after they look at you coming. So be very very alert. These people, they will not stop for you. Only 10 out of 100 people are a bit cautious, are a bit worried about traffic safety, but otherwise the roads are, man, ऐसा लग रहा है कि पूरे इंडिया का टार इधर ही डाला इन लोगों ने. Yeah, so we are into Madurai now, and our hotel is just around 10 kilometers from here, and Google says it will take us 20 minutes to reach the hotel because there's a bit of traffic over here. We have a squid here.
So yes, we reached Madurai at 7:30, parked our bikes, and then now we checked into the hotel, got fresh, took a shower. This is JC Residency. I don't know which area is this. My friend booked it, and he is none other than this guy, Anirudhan. You have seen him in my previous vlogs also. So now the plan is to... What's the plan? Madurai. What's special in Madurai?
Mutton dosa
Okay.
and kottu paratha.
What paratha? Kottu.
Yeah,
What does that mean?
it's basically chopped paratha with chicken gravy and egg.
Sounds delicious.
Yeah.
Okay, fine. Then chalo, let's go and have food.
Yeah. So you both right?
Yeah, it's first. Thankful to Anirudh because he booked this room for us, and we were clueless like where to book and all. But this guy is really helpful for me. This is the property. Pretty happy with it because they gave us a dedicated parking space for our bikes, and they put up a kind of rope to it so no one messes with them. What a coincidence! So this is 7477 here, and the bad boy number is also 7477. Have a look. Ta-da! So now the plan is Anirudh is going to take us all in his car, and he'll be taking us to some exotic food places where we can try some local delicious.
Road here. Maybe say 5,000.
What the hell, man?
Kabhi liya hai. Recently.
5,000 kilometers?
Recently he must have bought.
No. You judge as per the condition. That one.
Called Kumar Mess.
What is the place? Traditional South Indian way of having food. So you gotta wash it like that.
Fish boneless is there. Then there's a fish roast.
This guy is kind of a local drink here, made in Madurai.
The history of this drink though, when Coke and Pepsi, when they were coming into Tamil Nadu, all these small manufacturers, they ran into heavy loss and they shut shop. Only this drink called Kali Mark. This is who's the manufacturer of the drink.
Okay.
They stayed stiff and they survived.
Yeah, cha. This is
Mutton cola.
a traditional Madurai dish.
Yeah.
Nice. You guys go have your food and let me have it. I'm very hungry as well. I thought they don't have English. Okay, people. So we had the food, and now we are here to have some ice cream. Yeah, I don't know. It's a specialty.
Yeah.
See you tomorrow.
Yeah.
What time are you coming tomorrow?
I'll come around 9:30.
Okay, fine.
Yeah.
Shut up. Good night.
Yeah, good night.
Okay, back to the room.
सच में कोई कर सकता है वैसे आगे
उमेश.
टच करने का जाने का.
He's already off. I'm putting
I have
some.
done overnight driving.
My battery is on charging. Yeah. To do that, keep it ready by morning. So, morning the plan is to have breakfast here and start to Rameshwaram. Timing, nothing fixed yet, but should be around like 11:30ish. We'll start. So that's it for today. Pretty much tired. Have to crash into bed. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Until then, take care. Have a good sleep. Bye bye.